Hi guys, it's that time of the year again where the leaves change and temperature cools down, where autumn-fall season marks a transition from summer to winter. I hope you're all having an amazing day. Today, I'm so excited to share my fall cleaning and fall decorating with you all, as it symbolizes that Christmas is near coming, which is my favorite time of the year. But before that, I love soaking in the cozy and comfort that fall brings, and in today's video, come and clean and decorate my formal living room with me. This space is a pretty small area that gives me happiness when I see it decorated and clean for our family to enjoy. As most of you all know, I love the white colors in decorating our house. There's just something about clean, crisp look that the white decorations give to our home. I will be giving you some inspiration for decorating that area in your house to make it fall ready, but in a white glam look. If you are new here, welcome. I am so delighted to have you here. I hope you stay and subscribe. For all my glam family who's always been with me, thank you guys so much for your continued love and support. I am truly grateful for each one of you, and I hope you all enjoy the video. To start my decorating, it's always so important for me to start with a clean slate. I like to remove all my old decors first, and I like to make sure that the area I'm working with is dust-free and clutter-free. I start by cleaning and wiping the coffee table. This table has been with me for a very long time now. It's been with me for 6 years. I love this coffee table. It's a perfect touch of glam that the space needs. I will provide the link on the description box below for this table, as well as everything you will see in this video. Proceeding next, I like to vacuum the rug and sofa to ensure that my new decorations homes in their new clean spot. This sofa is a new addition to this space, and I love it so much. It is extremely easy to clean and maintain. The color is the perfect neutral color to go with any accent pillows. I also love how affordable it was. I will also leave the link on the description box for you. Now that everything is clean, we're ready to bring some of our nude fall decorations to this formal living room. So if you want to see how and what decorations I used, please continue watching till the end. I love how this white fall formal living room turned out. I hope you guys liked it too. Thank you all so much for watching, and hopefully this video gave you ideas in decorating your formal living room or any of your room with the ideas I shared. Please stay tuned. My next video is a fall gold glam formal dining area cleaning and decorating, but in fall traditional colors with a touch of glam, coming very soon. If you have not subscribed yet, I hope you consider doing so. I would love to have you be part of the fam. Please make sure to like and comment below. I would love and appreciate it. I hope to see you all soon in our fall dining room decorating video. Till then, God bless you all abundantly, sending you all air hugs and kisses.